Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to get clients in Upwork. Ito yung na-experience ng maraming freelancers, yung pagkuha ng first client. Or sometimes, kahit matagal ka na sa Upwork, still difficult pa rin yung makakuha ng projects or makawin ng clients. That's why I decided to create a video to show you and give you tips kung paano ko siya ginagawa or bakit maraming nagre-respond sa mga cover letter na sinisend ko. Disclaimer lang, I'm not an expert on this. I'm just, sharing you guys my experience. I've been a member of Upwork for 5 years now. And then, 40 jobs na yung projects na na-handle ko. And I also experience yung mga na-experience nyo guys na pag nagsasubmit ng proposal sa Upwork, no one responded. Ang haba ng proposal ko. But still, alam mo yun, parang walang nagre-reply. So, swak naman sa experience ko, yung requirements nila, pero yun nga, siguro, number one is, yung competition, it's very stiff. And, alam mo yun, lagi ako nauubusan ng connects before. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano yung natutunan ko in the past 5 years. So, we will resolve those problems that you have, or kung hindi man, sana makatulong. Kahit papaano. Etong ginagawa ko, nag-workout talaga siya. Make sure na yung Upwork notification for invites or for messages on your phone is on. Or, for example, you don't have an Upwork application on your phone, you can also check or make sure na lagi mong chine-check all the time yung desktop mo, laptop mo, pagdating sa notifications, email mo. Kasi ito lagi yung ginagawa ko especially kapag naghahanap talaga ako ng project, kapag wala akong project at the moment and I really need to find one ASAP, nag-aabang ako ng work using yung phone ko. Nagre-refresh ako sa job feed. Now, bakit importante yun? Una, kapag bagong post ng job, yung client, gusto niyan agad, may makakausap siya. Alam mo yun, because Upwork is one of the largest, clients are expecting na may magre-respond agad because their time is gold. So, I'm really aiming dun sa mga, alam mo yun, fresh jobs sa Upwork. So, pag nag-submit ako ng proposal, nababasa agad ng client. And there's a big possibility na mag-reply talaga sila sa'yo. Alam nyo guys, especially in this time of crisis, talagang very stiff yung competition sa Upwork. Ang daming nag-a-apply, ang daming walang trabaho. Worldwide, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, worldwide. So, that's why it is important na makapag-reply ka kaagad in case na someone invited you. Alam mo, there's an instance nga na merong nag-invite sa akin and then alam mo yun, parang 5 to 10 minutes, parang interviewing one na agad, parang ang bilis. So, ibig sabihin talagang maraming naghahanap ng work during this period of time, 'di ba? Kaya kailangan you have your phone ready lagi. And yun, isang tip na mag-submit ka kaagad ng proposal. That really works. Napaka-importante ng oras para sa kanila. Kapag nag-post sila, gusto nila may reply agad. That's proven and tested. Kaya napaka-importante kahit nasaan ka. Alam mo yun, if you have internet connection, mag-reply ka kaagad. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung way kung paano nyo ito-turn on yung Upwork notifications sa phone nyo using Android. I think it's the same even if for iPhone users. Just go to your profile, select settings, and then go to notification settings, and then yun yung una nyo makikita, yung desktop, and then yung mobile. So, make sure na selected all activity para lahat ng notifications ma-receive ng phone nyo or ng laptop nyo or ng email nyo. You know, within 5 minutes, maka-reply ka agad kayo. And I'm telling you that this will definitely work. Kasi tested ko na. Alam nyo ba na last 2 weeks ago, I think that's last week of September. That was Sunday. Tapos may nag-invite sa akin. Ngayon yung nag-invite sa akin, nireplyan ko kaagad siya. And then I got the job. I win the client. Nakuha ko kaagad siya. And yung offer, hindi na masama. And yung hours, hindi na rin masama. So, this really works, ibig sabihin. Kapag, alam mo yun, nataunan ka talaga na na-receive mo yung invitation, online si client, nag-reply ka kaagad, talagang hindi na sila hahanapan ng iba. Ikaw kaagad. Now, let's go to number 2. Let's talk about your cover letter. So, ano nga ba yung technique para makagawa ka ng cover letter na talagang magre-respond si client? Bakit nakakakuha ako ng mataas na response rate? So, I have 3 tips for you for cover letter. So, normally, I create my cover letter. Number 1, be friendly. So, freelancing is a business. For me, it's a business. So, if you treat freelancing as your business, so, they are your business partner. Kaya, the way ako gumawa ng cover letter, it's like parang you're writing a letter for a new friend. But of course, hindi pa rin mawawala yung professionalism. Nandun pa rin yun. Pero you don't have to be too formal. Alam mo yun, yung parang nagsusulat ka ng parang formal yung letter mo. I normally say my greetings as, "Hey John," like that. "Thanks for the invite. Blah, 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 blah." Parang kumakausap lang sila ng business partner. So, treat them as a, one of a friend. Number 2, make it short. Alam nyo guys, yun yung na-realize ko over the years. Hindi pala importante yung mahabang cover letter sa Upwork. Hindi pala importante yun. Itong mga kliyente na to, katulad ng sabi ko sa inyo kanina, their time is gold. Alam niyo yun, napaka ginto ng oras para sa kanila. Ngayon, they don't have time para basahin yung pagkahaba-haba mong cover letter. For me, alam mo yun, make it short, concise, precise, and clear. No, make sure na na-target mo yung mga dapat mong sabihin. So, since their time is very valuable, always make it short. Dati kasi, 'di ba, napakahaba ng proposal mo, tapos lahat sinabi mo na, tapos ayun, hindi na nag-reply sa'yo. So, I changed my way in creating my cover letter. Pinaikli ko. I'm gonna show you an example at the end of this video kung paano ko ginagawa yung cover letter ko. No? I always say na may experience ako sa ganito. No? Kapag wala akong experience sa ganyan, I tell them honestly. So, nagre-respond naman sila. So, end your cover letter with a question. So, bakit importante to? Para sa akin, napaka-importante na lagi mong pinapaasam or laging nagiiwan ka ng parang they should be interested in talking to you. So, ito yung linyahan ko. Lahat ng cover letter ko may ganito. When is the best time to chat? Ganyan. When is the best time to talk to you? When is the best time to talk to you about this? And this really works. Since pinaikli mo yung cover letter mo, meron pang maiiwan sa'yo. Hindi yung sinabi mo lahat sa cover letter mo and then, what's next, 'di ba? Parang, paano pag halimbawa in-schedule ka nila for a call, parang, nandun na lahat sa cover letter mo, parang wala ka nang sasabihin pa. So, lagi mong paasamin yung kliyente. Lagi mong i-end yung cover letter mo with a question mark. So, tell them, I would like to tell you more about my expertise on this and when is the best time. Ayan. So, kasi kaya mo pinaikli yung cover letter mo is, para mag-iwan ka sa kanila ng interest na kausapin ka pa because they want to know more about what services you are offering. And specifically, marami silang pwedeng itanong sa'yo. So, those are the 3 tips. And then, the last one is, you have to respond to them immediately. Okay, ito yung napansin ko when it comes to response time. The longer I respond on my messages, so for example, ngayon nga, nagustuhan nila yung cover letter mo, yung sinabi mo, then nag-message sila sa'yo, then idle ka, the more na hindi mo makukuha yung project na yun. Alam mo yun, katulad nga sabi ko, client's time is very valuable. They want you to be available right now, as in kailangan mag-respond ka kaagad. The more na nagiging, alam mo yun, minimal yung possibility na makuha mo yung project na yun kapag halimbawa mag-respond ka within a day and then pag check mo may higher one na or may nakuha na si client. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you is how I create my cover letter. And this cover letter, this is not, like what I said earlier, this is not perfect. I am not an expert into this. I hope this cover letter will help you. If you like this video, send me a comment below and like and subscribe.